Hello everyone, welcome to Learner's Point. In this video you will watch essay on Mahatma Gandhi, the champion of non-violent struggle for freedom. So let's begin. Introduction. Mahatma Gandhi, widely regarded as the father of the nation in India, he was a remarkable leader who shaped the country's fight for independence from British rule. His philosophy of non-violence and civil disobedience became the cornerstone of the Indian freedom movement, inspiring not only Indians but also people around the world seeking justice. Mahatma Gandhi was the greatest freedom fighter of India. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and known as the father of nation and Rashtrapita. People also called him Bapu. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and mother was Putli Bai. She was very religious lady. Gandhiji was married to Kasturba Gandhi. Gandhiji was the man of great soul, man of ethics, value and discipline. He was simple living and high thinking person. His great thoughts and ideologies made people honor him for calling him as Mahatma Gandhi. Social reform and unity. His contribution to various social issues could never be ignored. He raised his voice against many evils like untouchability in society. Also, he always pleaded for the importance of education, cleanliness, health, and equality in society. Beyond the struggle for independence, Gandhiji fought for the upliftment of poor, farmers, and marginalized communities. He believed in eradicating the deep-rooted social divisions of caste and religion, advocating for unity and equality. His emphasis on simple living and moral values influenced millions to follow a path of peace and tolerance. He also encouraged people for manual labor and inspired them for simple living and becoming self-dependent. He was the great supporter of agriculture and motivated people to do the agriculture. His simple living and high thinking made people fondly called him as Babu. He always helped to poor and honest people. His main teachings were non-violence, truth, and love to all mankind. He always believed that there should be self-discipline in life. It helps to achieve the bigger goals in life. These qualities and ideologies made him a great leader who is revered and respected ever now. And his respect still resonates not only in India but all over the world. After passing matric examination, he went to England to study law and become a barrister and come back to India in 1893. Later, he went to British colony of South Africa to practice law. There he found that Indians were treated very badly. Then he decided to work for the rights of our people and fight for the freedom of our country. He himself suffered injustice in South Africa. One day, when he was traveling in first-class compartment of the train in South Africa, he was pushed out of the compartment by some Britishers. He returned to India in 1915 and started the freedom struggle for our country. He advocated for India's independence from British rule and promoted the philosophy of non-violent resistance. Non-violence, truth and affections were some of his important principles. By following these principles, he fought for freedom for our country and helped India in gaining independence. He promoted his ideologies of ahimsa, which means not to injure anyone, and he never supported violence while leading India to independence from British rule. His policy of non-violence made him different from the other freedom fighters. His policies gave people a way to fight for freedom without being subject to violence. He started many political movements like non-cooperation movement, Satyagraha movement, Quit India movement, Dandi March and many more to fight against the British. Gandhiji started Khadi movement to push the use of fiber like jute and khadi. Khadi movement was the part of British movement non-cooperation movement, which means not use of foreign goods and encouraged to use the Indian goods. Non-violence resistance. Gandhiji introduced the concept of satyagraha, non-violence resistance, based on truth and moral courage. This principle was put into action during significant events such as the Salt March of 1930. Gandhiji led thousands of Indians on a 240-mile march to protest the British monopoly on salt production, which became a powerful symbol of defense against colonial rule. The concept behind the Satyagraha was the demand of the search for truth and using non-violent way of protesting injustice. Quit India movement was the great success. This movement was started by Gandhiji at Bombay on 8 August 1942. Quit India movement is also known as Bharat Chodo Andolan. This movement was started to asking for the end to British rule in India. In this movement, a speech was given in support of Indian independence and for the end of British rule. The main slogan in this speech was "Do or die." In the speech, it was said that we shall either free India or die in the attempt. We shall not live to see the perpetuation of our slavery. Though he went to imprisonment for several times, but it could not deter him from his freedom struggle, and he continued to lead protests and campaigns against British rule. And finally, in 1947, India achieved independence, and Gandhiji played the key role in country's transition to democracy. Mahatma Gandhi's life and principles continue to inspire millions across the world. His unwavering commitment to truth, non-violence, and justice transformed India's struggle for independence into a global movement. Through peaceful resistance and self-sacrifice, Gandhiji demonstrated that lasting change is possible without the use of force. His teachings on equality, simplicity, and the power of collective action remain relevant today as we face global challenges. Gandhiji's legacy encourages us to pursue peace, human dignity, and the betterment of society, reminding us that one individual's dedication can indeed make a profound impact on the world. His philosophy extends far beyond India's freedom struggle. His ideas on self-reliance, environmental sustainability, and religious harmony are timeless. He believed in the power of individual transformation as the key to social change, urging people to lead life of integrity, compassion, and responsibility. His concept of Savyodaya or the welfare of all underscores his belief in uplifting every segment of society, especially the marginalized. Even decades after his passing, Gandhiji's vision continued to guide movements for civil rights and social justice across the world. His life remained the testament to the enduring power of truth and non-violence. One of Mahatma Gandhi's most memorable teaching was, "Be the change that you wish to see in the world." He also said, "The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others." These powerful words reflect his life work of selflessness, non-violence, and truth. He died on 30 January 1948 by the Hindu activist Nathuram Godse, who was hanged later as a punishment by the government of India. His death was the greatest storm to the host of democracy and peace. Everyone was shocked and in deep sorrow. His death left a great vacuum in the life of the nation. He spent his entire life serving his country and its people. He is a person who would always live in the heart of Indian people.